this tutorial is showing how I go about making a sisal runner from sisal rope. So if you'd like to see how I go about doing that, keep watching. Okay, here's my sisal rope. Put a glue there. Put down. Hold it. That. So I have like a little popsicle, like sisal. And that's how you start off every single mat now. Just so. So it's not rocket science. Thank God. Next thing I do is take some hot glue, which I've already done, and glue all in there. So, if I want a bigger one, keep going, or an even bigger one. Want to see a bigger one? Bam! That's huge, isn't it? And that's what 100 feet of sisal looks like. I've got tons of them. And that's all to make a sisal runner. Not a full rug, but a narrow runner, carpet runner. So that's what I'm working on now. And I'll show you my progress in a sec. I need to sew all my little donuts. I purposely did, remember the big side is on this side? So these are the smaller donuts, and I have tons of them here. So it goes around there, there, go this way, and then it went that way, that way, that way, around the top. And then I got to the top. I did the whole one here. Take that back. And then I got up to here with the 4-inch one. I have a problem here in that this one doesn't fit here. So what I'm gonna have to do, I think, is take this guy out right there, make another one that's about this size or the size that can fit in here, and replace it, because that is a no bueno. Drive me crazy. So I'm gonna fix that in today's video. Right, Dobby? Right? Say yeah, mommy. First thing I have to do is turn it back over to the wrong side, the underside, whichever you like, and I'm gonna have to cut this guy out. I made this new one, and I'm gonna see if I can get it to fit. And it fits in there perfectly, so that's going to work. For the non-slip underside, I'm going to try something different. It's called Gorilla Grip Draw Liner. That's probably too close, but anyway. And it looks like this. It has these little awful weave pattern here, but it might be a good idea to try to do at least one of my rugs in this material, because it'll be easier on my fingers. It give me a lot of trouble trying to cut all those carpet tiles. So this might be a little bit better for me. I'm gonna have to stick it on myself with hot glue. I have to do a test piece first. I don't want this material to melt when I put the hot glue on it, because that would be a catastrophe. I mean, I don't have to use a hot glue gun. I can use other adhesive, but I just want to see. I hope this can be seen. Put a generous bit on there just to see what will happen. And it didn't go through. I need a little bit went up through to the other side, so that's good. So I think this is a keeper, so I'm gonna start cutting out some large sections. I'll do these first, I think, because these bigger ones will be easier. I've got 4 of those to do. Then I'm gonna have to start cutting out all these individuals. Okay, if you hear some noise in the background, it's the air conditioner. I just got back from a walk and I'm way too hot, so I can't take it anymore. Nevertheless, I've laid my liner on top of it. At least with these holes I can see through, so I've used some chalk to make an outline. I've got my personal template. It's a little bit big, which is fine. To trim it up just a bit. Fold it like a taco. Alright, Marvin. You're looking pretty good, girl. Now I can just take this and cut out, fold this over a bit, a bunch. Work them out. Yeah, that's perfect. I like the fact that this is so thin and it works, guys. It's gonna be easier to cut. More, I think. That's all I have to do. 3 more. I was just about finished and checking things over. I was not very happy with the spacing that was right here. So what I've decided to do, I'm gonna try to detach all of these from this side if I can and shift them to the left. See if I can fit this in there. It just needs a little bit more space, and if I shift them I should be able to get that space, and then I would also be able to sew this end to this big one, because sometimes I reinforce this with glue. I sure did. This is giving myself some more work, but I'd rather it be done right than just done. Anybody can do done. Took them from here. I'm going to see if I can shift this down and attach this there. You guys still fit. I've replaced these and I put it in. It's going to go up against there. Alright, I'm going to use my long upholstery needle for this. Attach this here and this guy there, and then the space is gone. Let's just hang it in the way. E6000 is less hazardous to your health. Okay, here we go. It doesn't move at all. So that's good with the non-stick surface. Oh, where are they? Oh, they're over here. Look at that. This is the area that I replaced. This had the space that I was not impressed about, but I'm pretty happy with it now because that fits there. I can go ahead and attach this here. And then I'm finished. So it won't even slide. I mean, that's great. That's what you want. And now I just have to figure out, do I want to keep it, sell it, raffle it, or give it away? But there's one person who wants to keep it, that's for sure. Hi guys, Allison here. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel and checking me out. If you would like to receive notifications of any new videos and content that I'm going to upload very soon, click the subscribe button. It's right here somewhere. So click it and hopefully you'll get notified. No guarantees though. Later dudes.